Join me as I dive into the world of international stocks and try to predict what's next for them. The global economy is becoming more interconnected, and investing in international stocks has never been more appealing. With the rise of emerging markets and the growth of cross-border trade, investors are looking beyond their domestic borders to find new opportunities. This shift has led to a significant increase in the number of investors exploring the world of international stocks. The truth is, international investing isn't without its challenges. Geopolitical tensions, economic fluctuations, and regulatory changes are just a few of the risks that investors need to navigate. The ongoing trade disputes between major economies, for instance, have created a sense of uncertainty, affecting investor confidence and the performance of international stocks. These are the kinds of challenges that investors need to be aware of. Economic fluctuations are another major risk. The global economy is experiencing a slowdown, and this has had a ripple effect on international stocks. The rising and falling economies are creating opportunities and challenges on a daily basis. The performance of international stocks can be highly volatile. Investors need to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. By understanding the risks and opportunities, investors can make informed decisions. Different regions are performing differently. The Asian market, for example, has been gaining traction, with countries like China and India experiencing rapid growth. The African continent is also emerging as a promising market, with several countries experiencing economic growth. The technology sector is another area that's gaining attention. The increasing adoption of digital solutions and innovation in the tech space are driving growth. Investors are looking at companies that are pushing the boundaries. The European market is another area to keep an eye on. The growth of the middle class and the increase in consumer spending. The factors that could influence the next move in international stocks. The interest rates set by major central banks can have a significant impact on the performance of international stocks. A change in interest rates can affect the attractiveness of stocks. The trade policies implemented by governments are another factor to consider. The ongoing trade disputes have already had an impact on international stocks. Emerging markets are another factor. Investors are looking at the growth and development of emerging markets. Understanding these factors can help investors make informed decisions. In conclusion, the future of international stocks. The key takeaways are that the next move in international stocks will likely be influenced by a combination of factors. Share your thoughts on what you think will happen next with international stocks. Check out my other videos for more insights on stock market trends.